Hey guys and girls, welcome to our grammar portion today. Your task today is all about repetition. So the key here this week is repetition, okay? Look below at the PDF file. Open that file. Take a look. You'll see many different phrases, right? Using like am, is, are, was, were, do, did. Pronouns like I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Many phrases here. Questions, answers, positive statements, negative statements. What you're going to do is you're going to start repeating these phrases, each one 20 times, we'll say. The result of that is it's going to become natural for you to use these phrases, hopefully, okay? Well, I can say it works because for me, I'll tell you, when I learn a new word in Russian or a new phrase, the first time I hear it, I try to use that phrase, repeat that phrase maybe like 15, 20 times that day. I just keep using it, maybe the wrong way until somebody corrects me, but I use that phrase again and again, and then it stays in my mind. It's a very good method to use. Now, as young people, as children and babies, they absorb information much easier, so they take in everything, knowledge, information, sounds, but the older we get, the more and more that natural ability goes down. So, now we repeat and we remember. Some simple examples of that, like look at Michael Jordan. He's the greatest basketball player ever, right? The GOAT, greatest of all time. So he did what? Why did he become the greatest? Because every day he took shots. He practiced those skills until he perfected those skills. And that's why he became the best. And if you want to improve your level in English, and this is why you're taking the marathon, is to improve clearly. You need to repeat these things too. And I guarantee you'll see some results from it. And in the near future, somebody asks you a question or you want to speak, boom, instant, immediate feedback. Okay? Today, about past tenses. Look at it to be, right? Using like was, were. Whenever we use past simple, right? It's always going to be connected to an adjective or an object here. So yesterday I was at the supermarket and I bought a little meat, I bought some milk, I bought a few apples, and I bought a bit of cheese, okay? So yesterday I was at the market and I could not find Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups. They're an American chocolate, and in some places in Russia they have, but I could not find those. However, I could find Snickers, which is incomparable. Okay, anyways, so the idea here, using like could, right? It's past form of can. Using was, were. Those past forms are what we're focusing on today. And English hack for you real quick. Whenever we use to be in a simple tense, in active voice, it's always going to be followed by an adjective or an object, right? So like yesterday I was hungry, so I went to the shop. Hungry, adjective, right? I was at the shop yesterday. To be, object, shop, right? Now if we use did works with all pronouns here, all subjects, right? I did, you did, we did, they did, he did, she did, it did, and so on. Anyways, when we use did, it's always going to be connected to a verb in simple tenses, in active voice, most importantly. So yesterday I did not go to the gym, but I did go to the supermarket and stock up my refrigerator because I was lacking in many items. All right? So, do your task, and we'll see you tomorrow.